So you want to make money clipping Caleb Hammer? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a new campaign that literally just came out today where you can make money clipping Caleb Hammer's financial audits. I've been clipping Caleb for over 2 years now. I've built a dedicated account strictly to clipping him to 73,000 followers. I've had a lot of success with it. Not every Caleb Hammer clipper out there has over 10,000 followers. So in the campaign I'm going to be sharing today, any clipper can make money with. So I'm going to be sharing you guys everything with this campaign, from getting the moments to editing them and then to posting the clips on my finance account here on TikTok. So let's get right into it. So I am on the clipping website where this Caleb Hammer campaign is. It is called clipping.net. And if you guys want to sign up and are interested in this website, I will have it linked down below in the description. And once you sign up, you go to the campaigns tab and then scroll down, and then you will see the Caleb Hammer campaign, which is right here. It is active. It says 174 days left. So hopefully as you're watching this video, the campaign's still going on. The budget hasn't ended, and you can post these clips on TikTok, Instagram, or X. On X, you're probably going to have the most difficulty with getting views, so I highly recommend using TikTok. Maybe Instagram. I've never used Instagram for clipping, but for sure TikTok. And earlier this year, Caleb Hammer actually was active with this campaign, and as you can see, I got paid out $107 from the campaign, so this is legit. It's paying $75 per 100,000 views. And as you can see, here are all the clips that I submitted. One of them did very good with getting 112,000 views. And once you've joined the campaign, it'll actually tell you right here, the minimum is 100,000 views to qualify. One thing I don't really like here, so if you have an account for Caleb Hammer for clipping, it will be slightly more difficult to get more views. So you may have to put out more and more clips to hit this threshold, but that is just something to keep in mind. That's the only requirement here. That does suck, but hey, if you can hit that, then this can definitely be worth it, because on TikTok, it can be really easy to get viral clips with Caleb Hammer. So I'm in the campaign, and so we are going to click the requirements document right here. And this essentially will just give us a rundown on the entire campaign for what we can and can't do. So you can go through this, read all of it, and it's saying that our clips has to be provided from one of these financial audits right here. So you can't just pick any footage on Caleb's YouTube channel. It has to be from one of these episodes. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to clip from this first episode actually, because it is the most recent, and so there's more likely for clips to go viral for it. So what I'm going to do, so it saves me a lot of time with clipping, I went to WayinVideo. So I'm going to click YouTube video link, and then I'm going to paste the YouTube link into here, and then WayinVideo will actually create viral clips for us. It'll find the best moments. And obviously for language, you could leave that on auto. Clip length, you can have auto under 30 seconds, over a minute. For myself, I'm going to do 60 to 90 seconds. So I also get paid with the TikTok Creator Fund and with this campaign combined. So I'm going to click create viral clips. And while it does this, WayinVideo will essentially find the best moments. And I want to give a big shout out to WayinVideo for sponsoring today's video. They have helped me a lot with editing my clips on this channel that I have built on TikTok. And as this is loading, it should get a ton of different moments from the podcast. And for those of you that haven't heard of WayinVideo, they have some different yearly plans or monthly plans that you can do. And you can also try it out for completely free. They will give you 200 credits, and you don't have to put in any of your credit card information. So you can try out the free plan, and if you like it and if it helps out your clipping process, you can then use WayinVideo for your clips. I've been using WayinVideo for almost all of this year now. And as you can see in my library, I have a ton of different content that I have uploaded in here that I have used for these clips. So if you guys want to check out WayinVideo, I will have the link down below in the description, and make sure to use code Ethan for 25% off your first purchase. And I actually posted a clip on my page with WayinVideo the other day, and it got to 4,500 views. So really with this campaign, we're going to have to post a decent amount of clips so we can get to that 100,000 view minimum threshold. And so now it's completely done, and it found 56 viral moments. So now we can go through all of these different clips, and we can pick what we want to upload and edit. So I went through these clips, and I really like this clip right here, clip number 6. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click open an editor to edit this more. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to reframe, make sure the 9:16 is selected, go to on, and then I like to have mine in fit. And so we're going to do one click to reframe. And as that's loading, we can go ahead and edit our caption style. So we're going to go to subtitles, style, and then I like to go to view more for dynamic. And I really like this style right here. And I like to turn off the stroke. And then I change the color to like more of a yellow orange for both the shadow and the highlights. So now as the reframe is loading, we have our caption styles ready. So now we can start our editing. I like to turn off the YouTube Shorts template, so I put hide safety area. So now we can edit our entire clip. The main thing that I really like to focus on is cutting out dead space, anything that's not important. So for this point right here, I'm actually going to emphasize this with a funny sound effect as she says game. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to upload audios, and I actually have a sound effect in here that I already have uploaded. It's called Hopes Up, and I lowered it to about 20% so it's not too loud.
He games at night.
If you want sound effects like this to put in your clips, I actually have a free sound effects pack of my own. I'll have a link down below in the description so you guys can check it out. Right here, there's caption error. So I'm going to change stop to step and then gun to F up.
Good man.
So as you can see, the clip ended right there. It's at 59 seconds. I personally want to get this clip over a minute so I could also potentially make money in the TikTok Creator Fund. Hey guys, so it is actually a couple days later now, and I just wanted to give a quick update on this clip. With making this clip over a minute long, it unfortunately got a strike in the TikTok Creator Fund, and I'm going to share with you what I did wrong here and what you should avoid. So if you have over 10K followers, you get paid on clips over 60 seconds long, and that's what I did with this clip here. However, with this episode being posted like a day and a half, 2 days ago, this content was already in the algorithm, and the clip I selected here, the algorithm had already saw, so I got an unoriginal strike on this clip. And as I said, that's because the algorithm has already seen this clip in its system. And for those of you with under 10,000 followers, you should be good on no matter what your clip length is. But this is for clippers with over 10K followers out there. And if you're doing this campaign, if you're clipping older content, just make sure your clip is under 60 seconds and you should be good. So I'm going to send this clip a little bit and see how much more context we need. We can also add the same sound effect. So I do Control C and then Control V. That'll bring it to the point we want.
What is that for? Oh, earlier, yeah.
So now one more thing we need to add, and it's a title card here at the top. So we're gonna go to text, presets. I really like this style right here. And in my opinion, this is one of the most crucial steps that you want to really focus on, because this essentially gives context to the entire video where the viewer will read it in the first 3 seconds, and that'll determine if they stay or not. So I am thinking of something like, he chooses gaming over taking care of his kids, ... I really like that. If you can't think of anything, you could also go to ChatGPT and tell it the concept of your video and ask it to give you more title ideas to make it more engaging. And so that's another thing you could do. And then I'm going to change this font to Montserrat. And so that's essentially the entire clip that I'm going to have. And I'm going to have this over the entire video. And I just remembered, thankfully, I did not forget, go back to the Google Doc from the campaign, click the watermark, make sure you download this and have this in the center of your screen, because your clip's going to get denied if you don't have this. So download this and you can bring it into WayinVideo. So I have it downloaded now. So I'm going to go to upload, and then we're going to upload it. So now it appears right here. You can just click on it, make it appear for the entire video. And then obviously for this watermark, it said to have it somewhat in the middle. So I'm going to have it like right here, just below, so it's on the blurred version. So now our entire clip's ready. If you want, you could do more video B-roll if you want through it, or if you want to add any pictures on the top section here, which I sometimes like to do. But for the most part, this clip's ready. So we are going to export this. I'm going to bring it into the TikTok application and then show you my entire process over there. So I now have the clip in the TikTok application on my PC. You can upload it from your phone or PC. I really don't see any difference in the analytics for what works better. I personally like using the PC more though, because you can use more than 5 hashtags. So I'm going to delete this title right here that it gave me from the file name. And I'm going to say, he really chooses gaming over his family ... For this section right here, you essentially just want to make a quick summary of the video, similar to your title card, but not exactly the same. And then it wasn't required to tag Caleb in this clip, but I'm going to do that. So I'm going to tag Caleb, because sometimes Caleb reposts the clip, so they do even better. And then I have these automated hashtags that I have right here, which really help, and I don't even have to think about it. It's just right there from when you do it on your PC. And then if you want, you can edit the cover. The next thing is the song. This really matters. So what you're going to do is go to sounds, and then in my favorites tab right here are a ton of different soundtracks that you can use. So pause and look these up on your TikTok and add them into your favorite section. I found a lot of good luck with these songs. Just make sure whatever song track you do use, it does fit with the vibe of the video. So if you have a funny video, add this funny soundtrack. This is more of a mysterious, like kind of creepy, like what are you doing type video. So I'm going to choose this Paris soundtrack. So we're going to click this plus and then put the volume to around -31, so it's not too loud, because you don't want the audio to be over the people talking. And then after you do that, your clip is pretty much ready. You can post it now, or if you want to schedule it out. In this case, I'm going to post it now. Everything is ready. So I'm going to click post. So you're going to go back to clipping.net where the campaign is, and you are going to click upload clip. So once my TikTok is fully uploaded, I'm going to paste the URL into here. So since the clip's ready now, I'm going to paste it into here. And before you do this, make sure you connect your account. Obviously, my account's already connected, so just make sure you do that so your account is connected with clipping.net. And then for the bounty, obviously, I'm going to be be selecting Caleb Hammer since I'm in this campaign. Then I'm going to click upload clip. And now you can essentially rinse and repeat this process. And with all the clips you post, you need to make sure you hit at least 100,000 views so you get paid out. It does suck that if you get under that, you won't get paid out at all. So you really have to do this to your own discretion. And if you realistically think you can hit this view count, then you'll get paid out just like I did in the last Caleb campaign, a total of $107. It is now a few days later, and this is the results from the clips so far. As you can see, the clips here with that Caleb Hammer YouTube watermark, I've had a decent success with so far, and I've had a clip already getting a couple 100,000 views. And so what I did here, I added this watermark to the new financial audit episodes of Caleb Hammer. Keep in mind, leave it up to your own discretion. This episode has not been updated on the Google document in the requirement section. I'm assuming that new episodes are fine, but in the campaign, it's showing that I already hit the bare minimum of the 100,000 views, which I'm very excited about. And so far, my estimated payout is $98, and I expect this to get to at least $200 because this clip keeps getting more and more views. But yeah, this is the results so far. But if you guys have any questions regarding this campaign at all, please let me know. But I'm very excited that I hit this threshold already within a couple days. So that's the entire process of making money clipping Caleb Hammer. I really hope this video gave you guys value. Go try out this campaign of Caleb Hammer and try editing it with WayinVideo with those free credits, and let me know how it goes. And if you need any help, please let me know down below in the comments. I would love to help out in any way I can. And I also have a free Discord community link down below in the description. So if you have any questions, you can also ask me in there. I really hope you guys found value in this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one.